Keto and intermittent fasting. Fast and easy results. Sticking to your diet can be challenging and disheartening if you don't see any results. Unfortunately, most diets take a while to show any lasting changes in your body. This means that you need to have long-sighted determination to stick to the diet and keep working. One way to make the process a bit easier is to pick a diet with fast results. The keto diet and intermittent fasting are two ways to see results quickly, especially if you put them together. You can expect to see lasting changes in a shorter amount of time. In this tutorial, I will give you an overview of the keto diet, intermittent fasting, and how you can use them together. Let's get started. What is the keto diet? The keto diet is a diet where you restrict your carbohydrate intake and replace the carbs with fat and protein. People on the keto diet only eat between 20 and 50 grams of carbohydrates a day. The keto diet is a great way to shed pounds fast because it forces your body into ketosis. Ketosis is a metabolic process where your body runs on fat, not glucose. This allows you to shed a lot of pounds in a short period of time. Other than watching your carbohydrate intake, you don't have to do much to stick to your keto diet. You can still eat a lot of yummy foods that you already love. Not only that, but the foods will keep you full longer, meaning that you don't feel hungry even though you're dieting. What is intermittent fasting? Now let's look at intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting simply means constricting the number of hours you eat a day. Most people only eat between the hours of 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. The other 16 hours are spent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a great way to lose weight fast because it gives your body a chance to burn calories. If you restrict the number of hours you eat, you naturally eat less and your body actually has a chance to digest and burn what you ate. Depending on your day, you can adjust your eating hours to your schedule. For example, if you work night shifts, then you push your 8-hour eating slot later in the day. It doesn't really matter when you eat, just that you eat for about 8 hours a day. Though intermittent fasting may take a couple of days to get used to, your body will quickly adjust to your new eating schedule. As a result, you stop feeling hungry during your fasting hours. Get fast results with keto and intermittent fasting. Pairing a keto diet with intermittent fasting is a great way to shed pounds fast. On the other hand, your body goes into ketosis because of the keto diet, while intermittent fasting allows your body to burn the calories throughout the day. Combine the two dieting techniques by only eating a low-carb diet for 8 hours a day. Spend the other 16 hours fasting. With this technique, you can burn a lot of calories in a shorter amount of time. This lets you drop weight fast. It's as simple as that. Recap. Even though it can be easy to get disheartened about your diet when you don't see results, it is important to push through and keep trying anyway. Pairing the keto diet with intermittent fasting, however, is a great way to see results fast. Although they won't transform your body immediately, using the two techniques together is a great way to see fast results.